Hi guys, Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a huge buttons galore and more haul. And I am on their design team and I am here to share my coupon code for 15% off your whole purchase using code CK15, and I'll leave that down below if you are interested. I'm super excited to show you some of the new product that I received this month. So I picked up another huge bag of this sequence mix because it is absolutely beautiful. And it has the yellows, there's some seed beads in here, and there's a lot of different pinks and blues. I mean, not pinks and blues, I meant mint and light blues, and some peaches. And I really think this would be a perfect staple to start all Maggie Home mixes. And it comes in this humongous bag. I'm actually gearing up to do a giveaway, and I will be including one of these bags in an upcoming giveaway. But look how pretty this is. You can see the hollow stars in here as well. And there's just a lot of good starting point for a sequence mix. So I did get a bunch of sequence mixes, because when you're at Buttons Galore more, you get sequence mixes. So I did get this one, and this is called Fancy Gal. And you can see here there is a bunch of buttons. There is some light pink iridescent hearts, and there's actually even some pearls in there, flat back pearls. These mixes are a lot of fun and kind of has like an embellishment box built into these 28 lilac lane mixes, because it's just a little bit of everything. And again, I can add this and then add some of this into here. Perfect Maggie Homes. I also got the white beige number. So you have a lot of different color whites. So you got small little whites, you got the iridescent, you get the opaque whites, then you get a lot of those like frosted white sequins, and then you have some of those neutral little hearts. Again, there's some flower sequence in here, so good. And this is called Pearls and Lace. They're so good. And then you get, little buttons in there that you can totally use for an embellishment. And I also got this one. Okay, so cute. This is called Pastel Dreams. And you got a whole bunch of iridescent stars. You could see that there. It starts off with a base of white, but there's some pearls, half pearls here, buttons, and just a lot of pretty fun elements in here. Oh my god, I love it so much. Next up, we got True Love's Kiss. Again, like another pinky number. You got a lot of different color sequins in here. You got some buttons in here. There are red buttons, there's pink buttons, but then the array of what's in here: seed beads, you got opaque sequins, you got sheer sequence, transparent, you got pinks, the whites, it's just such a beautiful mix of different kinds. All right, so I also got this one sprinklets. It's called Spring Daisies, and again, perfect for what we're doing right now, spring crafting here. And you got the orangey, I kind of think that would go with Halloween too, but also the white little daisies, adorable. I actually love the little pop of green for the leaf that it comes with. I think it's just gonna make a little fun little accent in a upcoming sequence mix. And I'm just gonna take all this stuff out. I've got a nice little bunch here, you guys. So I also picked up these flowers, and it is called Hibiscus. And look how cute they are. They're little flowers. They're the part of the Flower Power collection, and I just absolutely adore them. I also got this little mix here, and it's called Pretty Pink. And again, so pretty. You get so many different kind. I mean, this is not the hugest big mix, but this could make one solid mix for me, and then I can add a whole bunch of different stuff in it. We've got cherry blossom, and I actually have a large one of these boxes for this one, but I wanted a small one for a upcoming giveaway because it's one of my favorite mixes. Oh, this one's so pretty. This is called Spring Butterflies, and you could see the butterflies here. Let's see if I can open this. Look how pretty. I'm loving, what is that called, like that, this is like a marigold mix. Look how pretty that is. I love the pops of blue in there, and there is a whole bunch of different transparent sequins. That little butterfly in there is making it so nice. I love it. We also got this one, and this is called North Star. So you got a lot of whites in here. Again, got a little variety of different colors. This is just different shades of white with some stars in there. And then next up I have Grandma's Roses. It really does have Grandma's Roses kind of colors. I love them. They're so perfect for a fall collection. I think that, I don't know what color this is. It's like not really orangey, but anyways, it is a very beautiful champagne-y color. Love it. We also have Spring Meadow, and this is a full green one. But look how pretty that is. Absolutely lovely. And then I got a whole bunch of jewels because who doesn't love sparkles? This is actually a set. Let me see if I have the name of the set. The name of the set, and this is called Pastel Colors. These jewels are just absolutely beautiful. They are so pretty, and they do come in different sizes in each pack. So you're not stuck with one large one, one little one. It's just a whole bunch of different colors. And these are definitely my colors. I mean, this is my crafting color, so I had to have it. And then next up, I just got a ton. You guys, a ton of buttons. So I am really looking to do a little more, I don't know, fun things with buttons. So we'll stay tuned for that. Hopefully invent some fun things. But look at these colors, you guys. Are these not my colors? Like, boom, boom. These two right here. This is called the Coral Reef. I love it. I love it. And this one is called Bubblegum. Oh my God. Look at that. You got a little flower button too. I love these kind of random mixes because they have like sparkly ones. You have vintagey looking ones. You have little itty bitty ones. You have large ones. You have such a different mix of size buttons, and I just think you can't go wrong, especially if you are just want a little bit of everything in your stash. So that is it for my Buttons Galore and More haul today. Again, I'll leave my discount code down below if you are interested in purchasing any of these items or just items in general. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.